Hiya, I'm Craig.
I'm David Scully.
And we're going to be running Festive Marionette workshops here at Zero Carbon Guildford every Thursday of December up until Christmas.
We'll be showing everyone how to make these puppets, and as you can see, since it's the festive season, where you can make reindeer puppets, or if you're feeling a bit more traditional, you can make a dog or a
cat.
Yeah,
a cat even. And these are actually made out of waste materials that you find around your house: toilet roll, bottle tops, etc, etc. And the legs here, they're made out of pasta.
This puppet was made by Craig's wife, actually.
So please bring along your own waste from home, sign up for the workshops online, and we'll see you here at Zero Carbon.